Ever had a meta ads campaign doing really well and then suddenly stop performing? Let's talk why that happens and how you can fix it. This is really important to understand because meta ads are, in my opinion, the most powerful advertising tool online, and understanding performance drops is critical for your success. There's two common reasons why campaigns might stop working. The first one is ad fatigue and the second one is audience saturation. So what is ad fatigue? Ad fatigue is basically when an audience is seeing your ad way too often, which results in performance drops. So the CTR will get lower and the cost per click will increase. And there's quick fixes to it. So the first one is to basically add more images, more videos, basically more content, and maybe change the messaging, try different angles. When it comes to audience saturation, so the symptoms there, your frequency will be really high and your performance will drop after a strong run. And the fixes to audience saturation are simple. Basically, you need to broaden your audience. You can also use exclusions, which is going to prevent repetitive targeting, and leverage advantage plus placements for maximum reach. To identify those issues, you need to pay attention to the following metrics. So you need to pay attention to frequency, click-through rate, cost per click and cost per acquisition, conversion rates, and auction competition. All of these metrics are very easy to find and set up as columns in the Facebook Ads Manager. And on top of that, you need to compare performance over time. For example, you need to compare this month against last month. Comparing results over time on Meta is extremely easy. You just need to select your date range, click compare, select which dates you want to compare, click update, and next to every single metric that you have set up in your columns, there's going to be an arrow. You just click that and you're going to see the difference in performance for the time period. And here's some long-term fixes to prevent campaign death. Creative testing. So you need to regularly test new creatives, single images, videos, carousels, new concepts. Creative testing is by far one of the most important things when it comes to Facebook ads, and if you want to be successful. The next one is audience expansion. You need to target broad audiences. Don't try to target narrow audiences of 1 to 2 million. Always aim your audience to be at least 10 million, because this is what is working at the moment, and those audiences are extremely easy to scale. You also don't need to have a ton of campaigns. Usually with the accounts that I manage, even for accounts that were spending 5 to 10,000 a day, I do have just 3 campaigns. I have prospecting, advantage plus, and retargeting. You don't need a ton of campaigns, because when you run campaigns for a longer period of time, they optimize better and they'll get you better results. And that's about it for this video. If you found value, like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out get these videos out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.